Greetings everyone. So today I want to talk about some watch bands. So these go with the Galaxy watch. I got the Galaxy Watch 6. Just picked it up, to be honest with you. And lo and behold, somebody contacted me and asked me if I would like to review some bands to go with my new watch. Now these are special bands. These bands are woven. So woven bands have a little bit of air gap between them, so you don't have to worry about them actually being so tight on your skin, and you don't have that breathing room like a leather watch. These woven bands are more breathable, and that's what you want. You want them to not irritate your skin, and I'm going to demonstrate them in a minute and show you what they're all about. Okay, so let's look at what we have here. So we have two different kinds. So we're gonna open this package first and look at these style. One comes in a grayish color, one comes in black. One comes in beige, and the other one comes in black. Now the difference between these, like I said, this one has like a Velcro style. So you can see how it snaps like this, all right? And it's adjustable. So once you put the band on, you basically put it on like a loop. So let's put the band on now onto this watch, and you're gonna see how easy it is to just swap these things out. But this is your Velcro style right here. You get it? All right. And like I said, you got two different colors, both style. So since the watch is black, let's do black. We're gonna try with this one first. So under the watch, there are buttons at the end of the straps. So all you have to do is squeeze these buttons down, which makes the pin retracts so you can easily take the band off just like that. You have to use your fingernail or something pointy. So then you do the same for the other side. Push it in, pull out. So basically that's how you take them off. So now we're gonna put this one on. Same concept. You're gonna push the button in and slide the band on till it snaps into the spot. Just like that. All right. Then you do the same for the other side. Extend this out, push the button in. And like I say, you have to use your fingernail. It snaps into place. And there it is. The band is on. So it's nice and sturdy. It's not going anywhere. And then all you have to do now is just pull it on. Pull the Velcro. Get your watch in position. Oops. Get your watch in the position that you want it. Pull the Velcro and snap it. And there you go. That's how easy it is to put on. This makes it easier to take on and off versus the original band that comes with it that you have to feed through and find the right hole to put it on. You know what I mean? To get it to that perfect fit. Now, like I said, this is a nice little leather band that comes with it. Leather, rubber, whatever you want to call it. But this is what comes with the watch. This is the one, like I said, is woven, it's lightweight, and you can find your perfect spot. Because like I said, it's easily adjustable. So if you want to loosen it up a little bit so it's not so tight, strap it around, Velcro, and you got that looseness. And you know, it looks real good. You know, it fits the color. But then again, if you want to swap things up, you can have a different color, you know, because you want to personalize yourself. And you just put it like that, and that's how you take it off. So the same way, you just push, pull up, push, pull up. And then you can swap over to this one right here. Same thing, push, ooh, snaps in. And you come over this side, do the same thing, push, push the pin, snap into place, and you can hear it clicks. And there you go. So now you have a different style. Put this one on, do the same thing. Get it into position. Snap the band, velcro it, and you're good to go. Now you have a different style. All right, so you can mix things up if you want to. You know, you might want to wear this color one day, or it might match your outfit, or you just want to mix things up. You know, even though the watch is black, then you can have a gray band. It's all up to you, whatever style you want to do. So that's the Velcro style, okay? So now let's go over to the other style that I got along with this package. So these are the magnetic style. Snaps into place. This might be even easier for you to take on and off, because unlike the Velcro, these are magnetic. See? Snap. Same thing here. I mean, it's easy peasy. You can't get it any easier than that. You know, it's still easier than the original. Like I said, the original, you have to feed through, find a hole, you know, the old style that you used to do. Then you have to line up the little rubber and make sure that little flap don't go anywhere. You know what I mean? Because sticking out, it can just hit on anything. But they usually add this in here to keep it in place. But if you want that fast, easy, in and out, snap, you got the Velcro style, and then you got the magnetic snap kind. And this is flexible. You know, you can see me stretching it here. Flexible. This is slightly flexible. So I pull on this one, I just feel a little bit of flex. This one, much more flexible. You can see how I'm stretching it out like this. So it's easier on your hand because it's flex. This one, no flex. All right. I'm not saying this is bad, you know, but if you want a little versatility and you want a little looseness and you don't want that tight band around you all the time, and you want it to feel like it's forming to your body, or forming to your arm, I should say, without being that tightness, this is what you need. All right. So let's put these on and see what they're like. Same concept. Turn the watch upside down. All right, that's the best way to know you're putting it on right. Turn it upside down and make sure the button part is right there, and you're sliding it into the groove. Make sure you press the button, and then you'll hear it snap. There you go. Same thing on this side. Upside down. Slide into the groove. And then you hear it snap. Like I said, the cool thing about this one is it's magnetic. So once you put it on, get your watch in position. I would recommend you do it this way. Sometimes you put it this way, the watch, because of the weight, is rolling over to the other side. So, bam, done deal. And it's staying in place. It ain't going anywhere. You know what I mean? You have to actually put some force into it to actually unsnap it like that. So you can know that it's there and it clicks. Now that you have it on, you might be looking at my arm and say, okay, I have a small arm, but what if I'm a person with a much thicker arm? Then you can adjust this one by placing the Velcro into different spots. You know, so it depends on where you put the Velcro, that's how you make the adjustment. With this one, you can make the adjustment, but there's no Velcro or anything. So you're looking at it and say, well, how can I do that? I'm going to show you right now. So all you have to do is unsnap this part right here. And then there's a clip on the opposite side. So you'd have to take the watch off so you can see the opposite side, because this is the magnet side that it snaps to, or the metal, whichever one is the metal or the magnet, either or. But when you flip over this side, that's already on the band, not the part that you snap. Okay, so I hope you follow. This part right here, you flip it over, and then there's a little tab that you pull like this. Once you do that, you can adjust this up or down, which depend the way you want to make it. If you want to make it smaller or you want to make it bigger. So when you make that adjustment, that means it's going to snap in a different spot, which gives you that more or less, depending on how you want it. All right. So that's how you make the adjustment. Flip it over, pull that lever, push it up or push it down, depending on how much diameter you have on your arm to make it easy for you to deal with. All right. So that's how you make that adjustment right there. And then once you get into the spot that you like, snap it back so it doesn't move. All right. Make sure you clip it back down so it doesn't move back and forth while you're wearing it. But there you go. So I find it easier to make the adjustment while the face is up and then snap it. Boom. There you go. That easy. And now you're off to the races. All right. So it's that easy. You know, even with the Velcro, it's just easy to just zip on the Velcro and zip it off. Just easy and easy and easy. So if you want something quick and easy compared to the original band that you have to string through and find the right hole, and then putting on the little holders to keep the flap from going back and forth, then I would recommend this right here. You know, this is, like I said, quick and easy. Now I'm going to put that last one on just for the sake of demonstration, since we're doing a demo here and we just want to feature these bands. I'm just going to do it one more time. Like I say, you push the button, pull it up, you push this button, pull it up, and it's that easy to take off. Now there's different kinds. Like I say, you have the Velcro and you have this kind that has the magnet built in compared to your original band that comes with it. And this right here is more easy to deal with because it's softer. I can feel the softness in it right now compared to when I wear it with the regular band. It's so soft on the skin. It's cushy, you know. And to tell you the truth, I like this one more than I like these. This is okay. But if you ask me to pick my favorite, I would go with this. Not just only for the snap part of it, with the magnet easy to use, is because I can feel the more softer feel with this compared. So I would say, if I'm rating all of these right here, I would say the one with the magnet is first, then I'll go with this one, and this would be my last pick. I mean, it's just basically what I feel like. Based on what I've seen so far, I'm loving it. All right. And I'm recommending it if you have the Galaxy smartwatch. All right. The Watch 6 Classic is what I have, and it fits it perfectly. I like these. I really do. You know, most products I look at and I say, I don't like it, but I definitely recommend these. But this, I'm telling you right here, I wish you could feel what I can feel. I would definitely recommend at least give it a shot. You know, you order it, try it. If you don't like it, at least you can send it back, because you do have a return policy on it. You know, especially if you order off Amazon. But I think when you buy it, you might not want to return it. You might buy even different style just to match different outfit. And there's nothing wrong with that. But I know that if you buy this and you're feeling what I'm feeling, you're going to want to keep these bands right here, especially this one. The Velcro is not bad. I'm not saying don't try the Velcro. Try that one too. It is soft. But when it comes to softness, this one definitely is the softest. I just can't stress it anymore. And I'm liking this one. So I'm definitely changing out to the black because, you know, I like the black on black. And it's easily replaceable. You know, like I say, you push that button down. You have to use your fingernails to push that button because it takes a little force. And that's okay because you don't want the band to come off and the watch fall off your arm while you're doing something. So the fact that you have to put a little force in it to make it happen, it's a good thing. All right. So it's not going to easily fall off. And that's good. So the black is going to be my favorite. As a matter of fact, let me put it back on right now because I'm telling you, I'm liking it. Man, that's beautiful. Look at that. It just matches the watch design perfectly. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the demonstration of these bands. And if you really want to pick these up, something I would recommend to you. I like them. I've been trying them for the last few days. I swapped out just to give them a shot. And to tell you the truth, they're really cool. I like them. I like the way it feels. It gives my skin a little bit of breathing room, especially now that it's summertime and you're outside sweating a lot, working on different things. I'm telling you, this do me good. So the link is in the description of how you can pick up these bands right here. They're swappable, so it's easy to just take on and off, just like I showed in the demonstration. So that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching. Don't forget, link in the description if you want to pick these up. Until next time, have a good one.